In this video, we will show how to change the location of a node label in a Sankey chart for Google Sheets. By default, the labels are placed on the right side of the node, but you can customize their placement for each level or for whole chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Node Properties pane to change the properties. Click on the Label section. You can place node labels either on the left or right side. You have the option to apply this property at each level or for the whole chart. Now we will place node labels on the left side for the whole chart. Select the left option from the Label Location drop-down. Select the Chart option from the Label Location scope drop-down. Click on the Apply button. Note that the node labels are placed on the left side. Click on the Node Properties pane to change the properties. Click on the Label section. Now we will place the Level 1 node labels on the right side. Select the right option from the Label Location drop-down. Select the Level option from the Label Location scope drop-down. Click on the Apply button. Note that the Level 1 node labels are placed on the right side. Click on the Save button. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.